Hi, my name is Sam from the Boat Show. We're here today in beautiful Miami, Florida to show you the new TIARA 34 LS and what a boat she is. Multifunctional, lots of innovation and lots of technology on this boat. Now let's check it out. On this new 34 LS, we have a total overall length of just under 35 feet. It has a beam of 11 and it's powered by two Yamaha V8 350, so that's 700 horses just here. Now the most interesting function of this 34 is right here, the way it's able to transform itself. Now let's just have a look. On the floor of the cockpit, we have a huge storage compartment. Now on this bow area, the first thing to notice is the shade that you can have. It's electronic, so you can bring it forward or bring it back whenever you want. Over here, you have the space to mount a table and you can have dinner right here. Moving back, we can pull the unit forward, and with a pull of the switch here, we can hold this back and form a sun pad. How great is that? Now just to run you through a few numbers, we have a fuel capacity of 200 gallons. We have a water capacity of around about 30 gallons. And we also have a cruising speed of around 38 knots, a top speed of 51. And at the helm, just look at this finishing. At the helm, we have a compass, a space for small objects. From the helm, we have 4 ducts for the air conditioning. We have 2 touch screens from Garmin. All the switches are right here, and the wood finish, just to give it a bit of character, is beautiful. There's also a fridge incorporated in the helm deck. At the helm, they're sitting for 3. These can be lowered down and are also equipped with armrests. On the T-top, we also have an opening for fresh air. There's also a mid-cockpit galley with core-ring top, also sink. On the T-top, we also have LED lighting and this beautiful leather stitched cover with a JL audio system. Moving on forward on the TIARA 34 LS, we notice how much space there actually is on the bow. There's another entertaining area right here. Right up on the bow, an easy anchor locker. It has a windlass anchor that controls, it can be controlled by the helm and also by a handheld control just here. As a center console, the new TIARA Sport 34 LS has a very comfortable and usable space for all your guests on board. It has a berth down below, and there's also a bathroom fully equipped with a shower. Now we're just giving you a quick walkthrough on the new TIARA Sports 34 LS. Wonderful little boat. It has a very nice and functional back area, which is a 3-in-1 situation. And if you are out in the market looking for a small little cruising boat or a center console, check out the new TIARA. Until next time, see ya.